Okay, I'm just going to do a quick video on this, like I talk about always with good engineering. When you want to build a big project, you always want to test out all the steps. And so here is my Teensyduino, and I made several videos on that, and I'm using it as a signal generator, and I have a variable frequency output here. And here's my power amp, and I made a video on that one as well, quad channel. And I just want to test out one of the channels because I'm running the quad amp preamplifiers, the FET drivers basically, at 12 volts. And the Teensyduino puts out about 3.3 volts, and so I just wanted to make sure that everything was going to switch properly. And of course the FET drivers are driving a higher power FET, but I'm just running those FETs right now at also 12 volts, although I can run them at higher power. And I just put a variable resistor here, and I think I mentioned in one of my videos that the bandwidth does depend on the impedance that you're driving. And it looks like we are putting out a nice square wave here. Okay. So there we go. Let's see. So these devices do all work together, and everything seems to be working fine here. So let's see if we can get everything in here without a shadow. Okay. So there is our scope, our little DSO 112A scope, and here's our power amplifier. And as I mentioned before, I made a high frequency, high speed Teensyduino signal generator that puts out 3-phase, and I wasn't going to mention what that's for at the moment, but I can tell you it's going to definitely be a fun project here. Okay, and it looks like everything's working properly. I think we are good to go. Move on to the next stage. So there's a power amp for our Teensyduino 4.0, which has a 600 megahertz clock speed, so it is fast. It's fast enough to do signal generators in megahertz range, and I have some videos on that. So anyway, hope you find my videos interesting, and if you do, be sure to give me some comments. I love to respond to them, and thanks for watching.